at this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bill Russo. We are in North Finland and Levi. See, and if you come here, you have to wear enough, bring enough thick clothes, warm clothes. I have this, and I have this, and I have this, and I have inside, and a winter coat, winter leggings, because it's really important. You know, without it, you cannot survive. We're going to the ski center. There, over there, I can show you that place. There we go, we're going to the top of the mountain. There, my turn. And we're going to ride. Here, yes, we're going up. Hi, we're going up. See you there. Good thing this is closed. Really good. Really good, Kulseni. Really good. Nice. Oy. Moron ni diri na ay bukid sa Finland. Sa south. No, mountain. Actually, they call this Tuntori here in North Finland. It's quite small if you say mountain, but it's quite bigger if you say hill. So Tuntori. I don't know what is that good in English. So guys, this is so cool, you know. Hi guys, this is our experience for this autumn vacation. Actually, it's winter here in North Finland, so our clothes not for autumn but for winter. If you visit this place, any part of North Finland, do not underestimate the weather. You have to bring enough clothes because the weather is changeable. And it's promised today the whole Finland will be snowing. So early winter, and see, it's good. Going down there and going up is over there. See? Yeah. Bye bye. I'm so happy. This is Belly Russo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comment below.
Ketään ei ole tuolla.
Because it's snowing, really clear on camera. We have no choice, and we're inside the cubicle. And see, we are far. We are not yet arrived. And look at we are, how high we are. That's it up there.
Sky. Jos mä ovet olis auki, niin...
Hello, we are on top. From there. It's so windy and snowy here. So you have to cover your face properly. Good thing I have this. And my son start playing. This is the view here. You cannot see anything. It's snowy. At the same time, they are actually having Artificial snow, additional. Welcome to Finland! I love this! Yeah. Over there is the downhill skiing. Here. I'm back. We are done.